Hi, this is just a quick introduction to interactive whiteboards and the Smart Notebook software. Interactive whiteboards, or IWBs, are whiteboards that you can interact with in some way, shape, or form, usually ones that you can touch either with your hand or with a pen. The Smart setup and the Smart Notebook is hand-based, or they come with pens and you can use them as well, but the pens are not what is driving it. It is board-based. So you can use your fingers and you can also use the pens that it comes with. They are connected to your computer and your projector, and once you turn all that on, your smartboard should be on as well. You can install the software on any computer, and if you need help in installing on your computer, you can contact us at learningsupport@hofstra.edu, and I'll have more contact information at the end of this presentation. You can modify a Smart Notebook file on your computer without being attached to a smartboard, so you can set that up before you go into a classroom. So the first thing we want to do is look at just the Smart Notebook and writing some text. We have a bunch of different options over here. If you click on this and you click on this drop down, you'll see a number of different ways you can draw. If we just stick with a pen, we can draw stuff. And then if we like, we can click on our arrow and we can select our text and click on the drop down, and we could recognize that as text. Once you change it to text, you can delete it, but you can't erase it anymore. You can also choose various types of pens here and different types of colors. We also have a shape recognition pen, which will let you draw shapes and they will straighten it out for you. And you can also use the magic pen. The magic pen does one of three things. One of the items is you can draw a circle and it will focus on that piece of the board. You can move that around if you would like and exit out when you're done. Another one is when you draw with the magic pen, it will disappear after 10 seconds. So if you want to have an annotation that you want to go away, you can do that. And then if you draw a square around, it will magnify whatever you put a square around. When you copy and paste some text, you can use your pens to do all sorts of things. You can highlight, and you can use your pen to underline, and you can use all the different colors and all the different shapes in order to do that. So as you move forward, you could think about using just very simple text and having the kids come up and do various things with various pens. You can also copy an image from the internet. You can right-click and you can go to the internet, you can find a picture, and you can right-click or control-click on your picture just like you can on a regular computer, and you can come back here and you can paste. Or if you would like, if you go to All Apps, or if you go to your apps if you're using a Mac and find the Smart Notebook software, you can go to Smart Technologies and use Screen Capture. And Screen Capture will actually let you take a picture of anything that you want. So if you take this, if you choose this, you can click and you can drag, and it will take a picture. You can say, I want to send it to a new page in the Smart Notebook, and here it is. And you can make it larger or smaller. You can do whatever you want on it, and you can annotate. That will take a rectangle or a square. This will take an image, a picture of the software, the piece of software that you're in. This will take a picture of your entire screen, and this will take a non-linear picture. You can take a circle, or you can try to copy the shape if you would like as well. You can also use a screen shade. It's right up here. You can click on it to show or to hide it. And all that you do is once you have it up, you can take any one of the four sides and you can drag it over or down or up or right. You can also use shapes to cover pictures, to cover words, whatever you like to do. Shapes can be found here. You can create a shape, and then you would use the paint bucket in whatever color you want to fill them. And then you go back to your mouse. You always want to use the arrow for the mouse, and you can cover things up. Once you do have a shape, you can use it to come up, and students can move them away or move them to a different part of the screen. The Gallery Essentials Smart Notebook comes with a bunch of different items that you can use, and that's right here in the second tab. Gallery Essentials, the Lesson Activity Toolkit. There's pictures, there's multimedia, there's interactives, and we'll go into that more in a later lesson. Finally, we have the Infinite Cloner. When you click on an image, you can click on the drop down, and one of the options is Infinite Cloner, and that lets you clone the picture as many times as you want, or the word as many times as you want. And you take it, and it just goes as many times as you would like to pull it out. So you can use money, and you can ask students to get 55 cents or 63 cents, and they can do that. You can do words, so they can, match up the words with the picture or the example, and you can create little interactives with that. So this is just a basic introduction, but we can definitely show you around some more. This is Student Computing Services Learning Support. Our number is 516-463-7777. Learning support at hofstra.edu. We're located in Calkins 106. You can make an appointment to meet one of our specialists so we can sit down. We can show you all of the interactive features of the Smart Notebook. If you have any questions, you can give us a call. You can email us. And if you need any information about the code or how to get it onto your computer, you can also contact us as well. Thank you.